Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a document public on ClickUp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to share some documents to people outside of ClickUp. How do you actually go ahead and get that link? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now let's take this PDF form products document, for example. If you click on this document and then click on share, and then toggle where it says share link with anyone, you should be able to get a public link. So with this public link, you could actually link it to someone even outside of ClickUp. And once you do, it'll actually open up that document page as shown here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and make a document public on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.